Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. In this introductory scene, we will explore what the Apache Compress Ant Library is and why it's a valuable tool for Java developers. We'll discuss its core functionalities and the various archive formats it supports, setting the stage for deeper exploration into its features. The Apache Compress Ant Library offers a variety of features that make it a versatile tool for file management. It supports several archive formats, seamlessly integrates with Apache Ant, allows customization for different projects, and benefits from extensive community resources. Setting up the Apache Compress Ant Library involves downloading it, integrating it into your project's Ant build configuration, and ensuring all necessary paths and dependencies are correctly set. This process is straightforward and will allow you to start using its powerful compression features right away. In this practical guide, we'll walk through how to use Apache Compress Ant Library to compress files. We'll write a simple Ant task that defines the source and destination directories, execute it, and verify the resulting compressed file. Different compression algorithms offer varying trade-offs in terms of compression ratio and speed. Understanding these can help you choose the most suitable method for your specific use case, optimizing both performance and resource usage. Apache Compress Ant Library allows developers to create custom tasks tailored to their project's unique requirements. This capability enables fine-grained control over the compression process, allowing for better integration into broader build and deployment workflows. To get the most out of Apache Compress Ant Library, it's important to follow best practices. This includes regularly updating the library, validating your compressed files to maintain data integrity, and implementing robust error handling to manage potential issues effectively. Apache Compress Ant Library finds application in various real-world scenarios, from automating the deployment of web applications to efficiently handling large data sets. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool in many development environments. While using Apache Compress Ant Library, developers may encounter common challenges such as dependency conflicts or performance bottlenecks with large files. This section provides practical troubleshooting tips and solutions to overcome these issues effectively. In conclusion, the Apache Compress Ant Library is an invaluable tool that simplifies file compression tasks within Java development environments. Its flexibility and integration capabilities make it a must-have in any developer's toolkit. We encourage you to continue exploring this library to unlock its full potential. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.